What's going on, guys? We're going to be showing you how to do a screenshot. We're going to do selected area first, and then we can show you full screen after that. First thing you're going to do is go down to your keyboard and hold Command and Shift, which Command is right next to the space bar, Shift is right above or right below the caps lock, and then you press 4. And now you see this little arrow thing. So let's go ahead and you can click and drag anything you want, no matter where you want to release. You're going to hear that it sounds like a picture was taken. So you're going to see that here it is. It comes right on your desktop. And there you go. You have that. So that's how to do a selected. Remember, that's Command, Shift, and 4. Hold them down all at the same time. Alright, now let's do Command, Shift, and do 3. 3 is going to give you a screenshot of your entire screen. Alright, let's double click that. See what we got here. It's that easy, guys. Nice and easy, just like a lot of stuff on Apple. So let's go ahead one more time. Command Shift, we'll do 4, and we'll try and take a screenshot of these two screenshots. And then that's going to pop up right there. And perfect and easy, right? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We're going to have a lot of new tutorials all the time.